with a new video, and today's video will be pretty different. So today I will be doing a squishy haul. Right now I am in Hong Kong, and Hong Kong is where I bought these squishies. So I'll show you the special squishies last. So first what I grab out is this bun. So it has a buttery smell and it's really slow rising. So this is the yellow version of the bun, and it has a different face. And it's very slow rising. So now I got this mini bread squishy. It has a really nice packaging, and yeah. And it's not too slow rising, but it's pretty slow rising for a small squishy. So here it is. It's a bread squishy. Next I have this ice cream squishy with a face. Not too slow rising, but it's a bit. So now I'm going to open it. So here is its tag. It's by Eric. It's pretty dirty, but it's a bit slow rising too. So now we have this brown version bun, also with a different face, and it's most slow rising among the two buns. So next I have this panda bun squishy, which is really slow rising. So we are going to remove it out of the bag. It is out of the box. And it's super slow rising. And here is the tag. It's pretty sticky though. It's by Mother Garden. So next I have this Capybarasin squishy, and it's a remake. I don't know though, but it looks like. I have the scented strawberry squishy, which is really slow rising. It's like it's not even rising. So now we are going to take it out. See, it's not even rising when I took it off. And it smells really good, and I'm not patient to wait for it to rise. It smells so good, and it's really slow rising. Finally, it's done. Now let me squish it one last time. Mini bread doll squishy. It's color brown and it's really slow rising. So I'm just going to take it out of its packaging. And it's so smooth and really light. And it's just a ball chain. Here's its little wings, which is really cute. And here's the licensing. It says Bloom. So this is one of my favorite squishies, which is really super slow rising. It's Mini Millie the Whale, and it's also scented. Take it out of the packaging. It's also really smooth and really light, just like the bread doll. Here's its cute little face. Even its horns is slow rising, and the tail. Oh, this is also one of my favorite squishies, and the tag is also Eric. It's a rainbow cake with sprinkles. So now we are just taking it out. So here it is. It's really soft, light, and slow rising. This is my most favorite squishy out of all of them. It's scented also and really, really slow rising. Even the cone is. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please click here to watch my latest video and here to subscribe. Time for the quote of the day. If there's a will, there's a way. Thanks for watching. Bye!